already. I didn't squish it. She just jumped up and stunned me. Pissed off ones.
Scary. Now it's on you.
Where are you gonna put her?
Well, I'm gonna have to lift the frame out. Another one just stung me.
How does that stay on there?
Just sticks into the wax.
Oh.
So what you do now, in order to put this frame down, there's bees everywhere. So you can smoke them out, get them off these two frames here. These two frames.
Do you think that queen bee's scared?
I wouldn't say she's scared. These two frames here, push them together a little bit. Make sure she's in there. And she's good. She's in. That's all we're going to do today. Come back in a few days to a week. Check for any queen cells. Make sure we destroy them. And then I'll actually open up that candy thing for them to release the queen. But I don't want the queen to be released before I come back, because they're stressing me opening the hive. They may turn on the new queen. So once the queen is actually released, I'm gonna leave it alone for like at least a week, 10 days before I come back and do an inspection to make sure she's laying eggs. All right, so that's about it for the day. Let's get them smoked up and put back together here. Give them a chance to move out of the way. We're gonna catch one or so. And I don't need the queen excluder because she's not gonna get out yet, but next time I come, I'll put the queen excluder black on. All right. Top board on. All right, well, let's call it a day.